Are you confused on how to use essential oils and especially incorporating them into your hair care routine? Let's make this restorative hair balm so you can experience silky smooth ends too. Because with this recipe, you'll go from your hair feeling limp and lifeless to smooth and sleek. Hi there, I'm Summer Whitnaven, certified aromatherapist who loves teaching you how to use your essential oils. So turn off those distractions because making is healing and get ready to get started. Here's what you need to make this recipe. You'll need your big bonus box and your Simply Earth made recipe box. From your big bonus box, you will need your beeswax and your solid coconut oil. From your Simply Earth monthly recipe box, you will need your sticker sheet and your recipe card. You'll also need Biobegon and patchouli, followed by sunflower seed oil, cetyl alcohol, and emulsifying wax. From home, I grabbed a 2-ounce jar. You can also find these on the Simply Earth website. Let's get started. In a double boiler, you are going to melt together the coconut oil, sunflower seed oil, cetyl alcohol, emulsifying wax, and beeswax. You will need 3 tablespoons of your solid coconut oil, and you're going to melt this blend in a microwave using short intervals or by using a double boiler. For sake of time, I'm going to use a microwave today. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of our sunflower seed oil. And you will need to add 1 teaspoon of emulsifying wax, 1/4 of a teaspoon of your beeswax, and we're saving the best for last, the cetyl alcohol. I'm gonna melt this using intervals of 15 seconds. So once you have melted your mixture down together, you're going to stir it a little bit. You want your temperature to be approximately 150 degrees Fahrenheit, and once it reaches that, then you can add in your 10 drops of Biobegon and 10 drops of patchouli, and then stir. If you add your essential oils before your mixture is cooled off, they will evaporate, which is why we say you should wait till approximately 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure to stir your mixture all together, and then we're just going to pour it into this small amber glass container and then let it cool. Sticker that bad boy up. I love this color on the amber. It looks so beautiful. You can make this. I absolutely love this restorative hair balm. I use it at the ends of my hair and it helps give them a strong and smooth finish. Now I love to see your creations, so make sure to take lots of photos and tag From Simply Earth using the hashtag #IMadeThis. The Simply Earth monthly recipe box makes it so easy to make natural recipes. Go get yours.